Hello everybody, this video I'm making to show you the other bags I have for sale in my store. This is one of the bags. It's a Gilda Tonelli brand, which made in Italy. Gilda Tonelli's signature bag with leather. The hardware looks so nice and beautiful. It's a shoulder bag. You can wear it just like this. I love it because it's so elegant and soft. You can use it every day. You can use it as an evening bag every day. Wherever you want to go, you can take it. And you can also take this off and use this bag as a clutch, just like this. So the top is zip closure. Inside of the bags I always put a lot of papers to keep the beautiful shape. Inside of the bag there is the bag divided on two compartments. Here is one compartment, and which is from small pocket from leather, so you can put your phone. Very suitable even for iPhone, for any phone. It's very nice, very strong. The other side has zippered pocket, zippered wall pocket, working very nice, very good. And the dividing part has also zippered. Here there is zipper working very good. Inside everything is clean, like new, very beautiful. If the inside lining has signature of Gilda Tonelli brand. Very beautiful bag for everyday use. You can use it as an evening bag everywhere you want, and suitable for any type of clothes. I mean elegant clothes. So the other bag I have is a Andrea Cellini snake skin bag. The dark spots, it's a natural snake skin. Belongs to skin. It's not from me, and it's not sign of use. So the outside, in front of the bag, it has outside pocket, which is closing on clip. You can just click it and that's it. The inside of the bag is a lining all leather, very nice, clean and beautiful. All leather inside and snake skin outside. This bag is a shoulder bag, long shoulder bag, but this bag you still can use it like as a big clutch. Just put the shoulder strap inside. It's from soft leather, the same leather. And here is a different kind of leather, a light beige color, but inside it's more dark, the lining, more dark leather. And this inside it has here a wall zipper pocket, working excellent. The back of the top is a clip closure in two places, not one like most of the bags, but two, because it's a strong bag and has to have two clips. So if you don't want to wear it like a shoulder bag, just put your strap inside and use it as a clutch, and use it as an evening bag. During the day, use it as a shoulder bag. Very nice bag, very beautiful. This is the shape for the bag. So now I want to show you other bag I have. This is a Calvin Klein cosmetic bag. It's just a cosmetic bag from polyester, PVC, 100%. And this is not leather, it's fox leather, but you still can use it as tote. I don't have anything inside because I keep it hanging. Looks nice, very clean. This you can only do wipe cleaning. Do not wash, do not bleach, just pipe cleaning and everything will go away. it's clean, no spots, nothing. All my bags are clean inside and outside, no pen marks, no sign of use. Very nice. So this bag you just use as a tote bag for every day, wherever you want to go. It's a lot of room inside, plenty of place. So the other bag I have for sale in my store, this bag, black leather collector bag, which you can use as a clutch. It's very soft. You can use it as a clutch. I think the leather is lambskin because it's too soft. You can use it as a clutch in the evening, and you can use it as a shoulder bag any time of the day. Just put it on your shoulder. So at the back of the bag, at the back side, it has one open pocket. The lining of the bag is a cotton, 100%. The pocket is just open, no clips, no zippers. In front of the bag, it's a flap closure opening, and when you open, you can see here in front of the bag, small pocket. You still can put something inside. But inside the bag, it's divided on 2 compartments. I have papers here too to keep the bag in a beautiful shape. Even I don't use all these bags. I just keep them on shelves with full of papers, so they be always in beautiful condition, beautiful use condition. So inside the bag divided on, here's here's dividing department. One side is just open big department, and the other side has one zippered wall pocket and the Coletta brand name here, genuine leather. Everything is with lining from 100% cotton, absolutely clean, like new inside, no smell, no pen marks. Everything is coming from pet-free, smoke-free house. The shoulder strap is a double 2 straps disconnected here, so to make the strap more thick and more comfy, so it doesn't fall down from your shoulder. This is one of my bags, and the other bag I have, it's a clutch, small evening bag, which you can use it as a clutch as well. Here, this bag has no any brand name, but it's still leather, 100%, very soft, red leather, very nice. Here, the strap, you can take it away and use it just as a clutch, like this. Or you can keep with you your shoulder strap. If you get tired and you want hand-free, just wear it on your shoulder like this. So inside, it's absolutely, here's how you can close it. Just push it back and it's gonna open. Here's place. You can also put your money, wallet, keys, some papers if you have. And inside the bag, it still have the zipper wall pocket. In small bags, small pocket. So absolutely clean. The lining inside 100% cotton, outside 100% leather. So the last bag I want to show you. I love this bag because it fits to any of my clothes when I go out. It's a gold colored bag, Faux leather. I think the leather is Faux, but I was using for a long time and nothing happened to this leather. And has small chain. You can hold it like this or just like this. Inside, of course, just one compartment. Has 2 small pen marks, but they're not visible. And the inside lining is very beautiful peach satin fabric, which looks very rich. The bag is suitable for only for parties, to go somewhere out in the evening. With this bag, fits any clothes. Very beautiful, very nice, and all of my stuff you can see in my online store. If you're interested in something, please let me know. If you have any question, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.